Hello, my dear aspirants. Welcome to my YouTube channel Crack Lakshay. In today's session, we are going to practice from the topic history. So, let's get started without any wastage of time. So, let's start with the ancient India. Question number one. Who was the founder of Maurya dynasty? So, the correct answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Question number two. The capital of Magadha under Bhimsara was. So the correct answer is option B, that is Rajgir was the capital. Question number three. The first Indian ruler who had a permanent army was. So the correct answer is option A, that is Bhimisara. Question number four. Who composed the Arth Shastra? So the answer is Kautilya. That is option B is the correct answer. Question number 5. Who was the first ruler of Gupta dynasty? So the correct answer is option D, that is Sri Gupta was the first ruler of Gupta dynasty. Question number 6. Harshvardhana was defeated by which ruler? So the correct answer is option A, that is Pulakesin II. Question number 7. Nalanda University was destroyed by. So the answer is Bakhtiyar Khilji. That is option B is the correct answer. Question number 8. Who was known as the Indian Napoleon? So Samudragupta was known as the Napoleon Indian. Question number 9. The famous Mehroli iron pillar belongs to Gupta period. That is option A is the correct answer. Question number 10. Who introduced Din Ilahi? So the correct answer is option C, that is Akbar. Question number 11. The caves of Ajanta are related to. So the correct answer is option B, that is Buddhism. These caves are in Maharashtra. Question number 12. The Rig Veda is divided into how many mandals? So the correct answer is option B, that is 10 mandalas. Let's go to the 13th question. Who was the last ruler of Nanda dynasty? So the correct answer is option B, that is Dhanananda. Question number 14. Who built the Sanchi Stupa? So the correct answer is option A, that is Ashoka. Question number 15. The Battle of Hiddeps was fought between. So the correct answer is option A, that is Alexander and Porus. Question number 16. The Ellora caves are associated with. So the correct answer is option C, that is Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Question number 17. The earliest city discovered in India from the Indus civilization is. So the correct answer is option B, that is Harappa. Now let's start with the medieval India. So question number 18. Who was the founder of slave dynasty? So the correct answer is option A, that is Kutubuddin Aibak. Question number 20. Who shifted the capital of Delhi Sultanate from Delhi to Dauladabad? So the correct answer is option B, that is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question number 21. The first woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate was. Answer is option A, that is Razia Sultan. So the period was from 1236, that is 1236 to 1240. Question number 22. The Battle of Talikota 1565 was fought between. So the correct answer is option C, that is Deccan Sultanates and Vijayanagar Empire. Question number 23. Who was the founder of Mughal Empire in India? So the correct answer is option C, that is Babur. He became the founder of Mughal Empire after the Victorian First Panipat in 1526. Let's go to the 24th question. The Grand Trunk Road was built by. So the correct answer is option C, that is Sher Shah Suri. Question number 25. Who built the Red Fort in Delhi? So the correct answer is option C, that is Shah Jahan. Question number 26. The Buland Darwaza at Fatehpur Sikri was built to commemorate victory over. So the correct answer is option A, that is Gujarat. Question number 27. The Battle of Khanwa was fought in which year? So the answer is option B, that is 1527. Question number 28. Who was the last Mughal emperor? So the correct answer is option B, that is Bahadur Shah II. Question number 29. Shivaji was crowned as Chhatrapati at which place? So the correct answer is option A, that is Raigad. Question number 30. Guru Nanak was born in which year? So the correct answer is 1469. That is option A is the correct answer. Question number 31. Which Mughal emperor issued the Farman to the British in 1717? So the correct answer is option D, that is Farooq Siyar. Question number 32. The capital of Vijayanagar Empire was. So the capital is Hampi. That is option A is the correct answer. Question number 33. Who was the last ruler of Lodhi dynasty? So the last ruler was Ibrahim Lodi. That is option B. Now let's start with the modern India. Question number 34. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? So the answer is 1757. That is option A is the correct answer. Question number 35. The Battle of Buxar was fought in which year? So the answer is 1764. That is option C is the correct answer. Question number 36. Who was the first Governor General of India? So the correct answer is option B, that is Warren Hastings, who served from 1773 to 1785. You can 1773 to 1785. Question number 37. The Regulating Act was passed in which year? So the correct answer is 1773. Question number 38. Who introduced the permanent settlement in Bengal? So the correct answer is option B, that is Lord Cornwallis in 1793. Question number 39. The first Anglo-Sikh war ended with the Treaty of Lahore in 1846. Question number 40. The revolt of 1857 started from which city? So the correct answer is option C, that is Meerut. This revolt, also known as Sepoy Mutni. Question number 41. Who was the last Mughal emperor during 1857 revolt? So the correct answer is option B, that is Bahadur Shah II. Question number 42. Who was called the Grand Old Man of India? So the correct answer is option A, that Dadabhai Naroji. Question number 43. The Indian National Congress was fought in which year? So the correct answer is option B, that is 1885 by Allah Octavian. Question number 44. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? So the correct answer is option A, that is W.C. Banerjee. Question number 45. Who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright? So the option
Thank you for
B
watching.
is the
I
correct
hope
answer,
you
that is
enjoyed
Bal
the
Gangadhar
history
Tilak.
content. If you have any specific
Question number
topics you would
46.
like to
The
me to
partition
cover
of
in
Bengal
future
took
video,
place in
so
which year?
please leave a
So the
comment
correct
below.
answer is
I would
option
love
B,
to
that is
hear your
1905.
suggestions. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Question
Jai
number
Hind. All the
47. The
best for your
Jallianwala
exams.
Bagh massacre took place in which year? So the correct answer is 1919. That is option C is the correct answer. Question number 48. The Simon Commission came to India in which year? So the correct answer is option B, that is 1928. Question number 49. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? I will not answer this question. If you know, let me comment. Number 50. India got independence on which year and on which date? This also I will not answer. These both answers will be commented by you in the comment box. Let's see who can answer it. I hope you like the answers and also the question provided by me. Let's meet you in the next video with the next topic. Bye bye.